Follow me at TheSaaSMom if you're ready to ditch manual tasks and boss up your business with tech that works for you.
Today we're going to talk about the missed call text back automation. This automation can literally help you book missed calls while you are sleeping. It'll help you save hours every week and just help you close more deals. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to complete this trigger today, start this automation today. So the first thing we're going to do is add a new trigger. We're going to search trigger. We're going to select call status. Okay, for the call status, we're going to change the name to incoming calls, voicemail, or busy. And then we're going to add filters. So we're going to select call direction. And this is for incoming calls. And then we're going to add another filter, and that's call status. This is for the tags busy, no answer, or voicemail. And we're going to save that trigger. So then we're going to add a slight delay. So the action we want to select is wait, and we can name it slight delay. And what this is doing, it is helping the SMS not seem so robotic. So as soon as they miss that call, it takes about 30 seconds for them to receive a text message, let them know that we kind of missed them. So then we're going to assign to user. And in this case, it'll be myself. Now, if you do have employees, then you can just also select those users, them as users as well. But in this case, I want to assign it to myself. So I'm just going to assign it to myself and then save that action. Okay. And then we're going to create the action for the send SMS. So we're going to SMS to lead. And we're going to just say, hey, sorry we missed you today. How can I help you? Okay. So then we're going to save that action. Okay. And then from there, we're going to do like an internal notification so that way we can be notified that there was a missed call and that we need to respond back. Missed call from, so this right here is a tag. Oh, sorry, not tag. This is a custom value. Looks like a little tag icon. So once you select it, the contact full name. So you have missed a call from the contact's name. Please respond back. And then we can just look for the user and put the user's first name. You have received a missed call. And then for the redirect page, you can select it for contact, conversation, or opportunity. But in this case, we're going to select opportunity because this is what will help keep us organized. So that's a pipeline that I will show you if you continue to follow for more information. But for now, we'll select that. And then there we go. Okay. The user type can be all users, particular users, or user assigned to contact. In this case, I'll just put all users, but it'll come to just myself. And then we'll just save it. Make sure the publish is turned on. That way it can go live and start to work for you. And that's how you do a missed call text back automation.